Hello to everybody. This is Siddha Medical Practitioner on behalf of Muscular Dystrophy Foundation. Today's our topic is skipping breakfast and how it is impacting on muscular dystrophy, especially congenital disorder. Not having breakfast in the sense like avoiding exercises. If you have following regular breakfast mean you are doing exercises regularly. Definitely healthy breakfast may be your problem solver which you have been looking for. So sure your morning meals is with full of organic and tradition. There are more number of reasons why you shouldn't skip your breakfast. For example, to boost metabolism, to keep your blood sugar level stable, feel full of energy, to get more vitamins, minerals and other micronutrients, to get improve in concentration and productivity, to get lower body temperature, to get reduced weight, to increase your immunity, etc. etc. There are more number of research results showed that skipping breakfast is associated with increasing risk of mortality from circulatory diseases and all causes among men and all causes mortality among women in the world. It has been propounded that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Skipping breakfast causes and skipping breakfast and causes of death by chronic and congenital disorder are directly interlinked. For example, if we skip breakfast for a long time period, then we are highly susceptible and deserve for diabetes, sugar, cancer and kidney related disorders. If we follow regular breakfast, then we will not have, definitely 90% of the people will not have cancer or kidney related disorder or diabetes. Same like that, skipping breakfast affects the next generation also. If a parent is not having breakfast for a long time period, then the unhealthy condition of the parents or any defects or any damaged chromosomes or mutated genes will carry to their next generation also. For example, nervous system or brain problems, sensory problems, metabolic disorder, degenerative disorders, etc. etc. Skipping breakfast for a long time period result in unidentifiable liver and kidney damage and other interlinked organs also. These organs greatly helpful in transmitting genetic information to the next generation. This organ coded and dictates proper metabolism and chromosome and DNA structure also. Nowadays, every 5 newborn babies are affected out of every 100. They are either living as carrier or affected by congenital disorder also. So the low function of liver and kidney leads to unhealth to parents. The unhealthy parents gives mutated genes or deletion of genes or misshaped DNA or gene structure. So if you follow regular breakfast in between 7 to 7:30, you can prevent from congenital disorder for your next generation. Also, you can transmit a healthy mind and physical to your next generation. Also, you can prevent yourself from diabetes, cancer, kidney related disorder, overweight, cardiovascular diseases, infertility, weakness, and all and everything, etc. etc. There are more number of diseases over there, etc. etc. So I please you to avoid the activities and habits I please you to avoid the activities and habits which are damaging your liver and kidney, such as irregular sleeping or restless work without sleep, avoiding breakfast in between 7 to 7:30 a.m., consuming genetically modified food and vegetables and fruits, then too much follow up modern life or modern medicine, etc., etc. In these factors, avoiding skipping breakfast only is impacting highly on congenital disorder. So please don't avoid breakfast. Have it within 7 to 8 a.m. regularly. Please save our children from lifetime impairment and death. Thank you.